Max, keep them open. Look at the camera. Your butt. Oh, look at it. Whoa.
No.
He looks so confused.
He is confused.
Max, are you confused?
Where the hell's my milk? Oh, where's my milk?
No. He's so confused because he doesn't know who stinks.
Oh. Huh? Look at this.
Look at your deformed ears.
Oh, leave him alone.
They're so big at the top. You got your mom's ears.
You what? I'm sorry. You okay?
No.
He just came to the realization that he might have my ears.
He does have ears.
But he doesn't know.
Max, you're stinky.
You're
But I
making me
love you.
sleepy again.
Smile for the camera.
Wait. Your butt?
No, you.
No. Yes, you did.
Poke, 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 poke.
He's making me sleepy. Oh.
What are you doing?
Remember this.
Love you, Max.
Oi.
Running out of battery here. Love you.
Running out of battery and stuff, and you're recording yourself doing that? You gave me a diaper hand?
We only got 1 minute left.
Oi! Salud!
Gesundheit.
This puppy.
Max, there's no God. Okay? Sorry to say.
I'm not you.
Why?